Marubozu candlestick. Marubozu candlesticks indicate that the price moved strongly in one direction throughout the entire session and closed at the high or low of that session. A Marubozu candle consists only of a body, with no wick shadows above or below. This shows that there was no hesitation from buyers or sellers. One side remained in full control from open to close. How bullish Marubozu candlestick looks like. A green bullish Marubozu candle is formed when open is equal to low and close is equal to high. This means the closing price is higher than the opening price, with no upper or lower wicks. It indicates that buyers were in full control from the beginning to the end of the session. This type of candle is considered a strong bullish signal in nature. How bearish Marubozu candlestick looks like. A red bearish Marubozu candle is formed when open is equal to high and close is equal to low. This means the closing price is lower than the opening price, with no upper or lower shadows. It indicates that sellers were in full control from the start to the end of the candle session. This type of candle is considered a strong bearish signal in nature. Important points. No wicks or shadows. A true Marubozu has no upper or lower wicks, just a full body. It shows decisive price action in one direction, indicates strong momentum. Bullish Marubozu shows strong buying pressure. Bearish Marubozu shows strong selling pressure, more powerful at key levels. When formed at support/resistance, breakouts, or trend reversals, they are more significant. Size of the candle matters. A larger body implies stronger conviction by bulls in green or bears in red. Context matters. In an uptrend, a bullish Marubozu confirms continuation. In a downtrend, a bearish Marubozu reinforces a trend.